how to connect Shopify with eBay. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video, you will learn how to connect Shopify with eBay. Begin by accessing your Shopify dashboard. On the left-hand side, find and click Sales Channel. In the search bar, type eBay and press Enter. You will be taken to the Shopify App Store, where you will discover several apps for connecting eBay to Shopify. These apps are designed to assist you in importing your products, customer reviews, and feedback. Choose any app that suits your need. Click on the Install button for the selected app. After installation, the app will be prompted you to choose the importer you need. Select eBay to Shopify and click Submit. Now, within the app dashboard, locate and click Link eBay account. In the Marketplace selection, opt for ebay.com and click Connect eBay account. You will be required to log in with your eBay account. Once done, your eBay account will be linked to the app. Please note that it may take some time to import the information from eBay. After successful completion of import process, you will be able to manage your product seamlessly. That concludes the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss an update from me. Your comments and input mean a lot to me, so don't hesitate to share your thoughts in the comments below. I truly appreciate your engagement.